back to Petrolhead TV and welcome back to another video. Today my friend Ant has brought down this wicked EP3 Type R. So let's go for a drive and see what this thing is like.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
So we're in the Type R now. We're going to go for a quick drive, see what this thing's like. So Ant, why did you buy an EP3?
Well, I was looking at S3s, Golf Rs, A45 AMGs.
Yeah.
I couldn't decide what to pick, and then my friend was selling this Type R.
Yeah.
He said he just wants to get rid of it and he'll sell it cheap. And I thought, I don't really want a Honda. I'm not really a Honda fan.
Let's just do a quick call.
Yeah, and that's just like tax, insurance, it's like to buy it as well. So I thought, then I thought it's going to devalue pretty quick.
Yeah.
So I thought, I need to buy something that's not going to devalue, and it's going to be a good all round fuel and all the rest of it, and goes alright. So I thought, yeah, I'll see what it's like. I went and had a look at it, and it was the Premier Edition, which I knew nothing about at the time. So it's got a few extras and stuff to the standard. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to buy it. So I brought it, and to be fair, it's the best car I've had by far.
A lot of people tell me that as well, the Type Rs, they're just the best car they've ever driven. Obviously, they're not better than a supercar, let's just say that. But for hot hatches, they're way up there. They're one of the best.
Yeah. Like even modern cars to this day, struggle to pull away.
Yeah.
And what's this, like 129,000 miles?
That's the other thing, these cars are so strong. Go forever, give it so much abuse.
Literally so much abuse. So much abuse. I've had Fiesta ST 180s, I've had a turbo, the 2-litre turbo, and Corsa C.
Yeah.
That was a fast car, nothing compared to this.
Just didn't drive as good.
No, it was fast on the straight, but that's what it was good for.
Really powerful.
And this is all round.
It's the same with my VXR. My VXR, yeah, you know it's broken, but it was good in the straight line, but in the corners it was absolutely wank. My Clio 182 was a lot better than that. But this is the question I've got for you guys as well. Should I replace the VXR with one of these? So let me know down in the comments if you think I should.
I think you should.
I think I should.
This was. I've got paperwork with this car. It was played with before.
Yeah.
But had a Tiguan or whatever it's called, induction kit.
Oh yeah.
Decat. Inlet manifold, big throttle body. When I bought it, it was completely standard.
Yeah. So
So
all that's on this car now is what? Just the air.
It's just got the S2000 air filter. It's been loaded on 35mm, I believe, lowering springs. It's got the camber bolts on the front, it's got the rear camber arms to make the wheels sit straight.
Yeah.
Because when you lower them, they can tow in the cambers. So yeah, it's just literally air filter
Yeah.
that I know of. Other than that,
So have you got any plans for it?
I was debating turbo, but I don't want to devalue it.
Yeah.
I'm going to try and keep it as, and to be fair, it's quick enough.
Well, I think I'll keep it how it is.
Yeah, it's quick enough,
So
definitely.
VTEC is the one, you know. That sound is just addictive.
Yeah, literally this car, I don't like driving fast too often, but this car basically encourages me to do it all
Yeah.
the time. This car's a bad influence on me.
It's a license. It's 100%.
Yeah.
But that's what we like, isn't it? If you like fast cars, this is what's all about.
It's just unbelievable how a 2 litre, no turbo, no nothing, can go so fast.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Japanese have got it.
Yeah, by far.
I mean, if you want to drive this car, Jack all the way. But if you want quality and a bit of speed, it's probably German, to be honest. But
Yeah, I agree.
for me as a person, I prefer Jack because it's a proper driver's car.
It's just mad how these newer cars, so this, I think the first Type R came out in 2001.
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
something like that.
2000, yeah,
2001, 2002, I don't know, I'm not so sure, but
I think it might be 2001.
the book speed is still like 155 or something like that. I mean, I've had more than 155 in this, but
Yeah, like very close to 160, isn't it?
161.
Really?
Yeah, it won't go any more than that, 161.
That's incredible.
Yeah, man, it was a slight hill, but
A 2 litre hot hatch, 161 miles an hour.
that's what the speedo says, so I don't want anything.
Yeah. Don't give us hate for that, right?
I'm still a Vauxhall man. Honda isn't my thing, or any other car isn't my thing. Vauxhall is my thing.
Yeah, that's the other thing I was going to say. Like, the VXR will always hold the top spot in my heart for my favourite car. It's just a shame that they're such a pain in the arse.
Yeah. Pain in the arse.
They are, honestly. But they're just special, like the drama.
drominess.
The drone,
Yeah, it's like when you're on the motorway doing
Okay.
70, 80, it's quite dromy.
Yeah.
And the revs are so high. It's another thing, sixth gear. If sixth gear was longer,
Yeah.
I think people do, they swap the gearboxes from I think a DC5, don't hold me to it, but DC5 because it has an LSD
Yeah.
already in the gearbox. And I think sixth gear is longer, I think. Yeah, it's dromy. And the turning circle, oh my
It's really
god,
bad.
the turning circle. You'll be doing a 97-point turn. If you have to turn around on the motorway, you're fucked.
Yeah.
Including the hard shoulder, if you have to turn around, fuck. That's how bad it is. It's so bad.
So for day-to-day life, parking it,
It's quite hard.
driving it to the shops and back, it's not ideal.
No.
But that's not really what this car was made
No,
for. It's
no,
made
no.
to enjoy,
Yeah.
drive fast.
That's it. It's quite comfy as well, to be fair. I quite like
To be
it.
fair, I'm quite comfortable. It's a bit hard, but
Yeah, hard ride, yeah.
that's what you want with this car. It's not made to be spongy and comfortable.
I find if it's spongy and soft and you think, are you really sticking to the road that well?
Yeah. better than the Recaros in my VXR. I can move out of this one, whereas the VXRs, yeah, they're not shaped as well as these. They've done well at the front of this car. The back's pretty plain.
Yeah.
Then again, you don't really care about that.
Unless you're sitting in the back.
This car is for you and not the passengers.
Yeah.
That's the thing. Honestly, I think this is a very high contender to replace the VXR. Even though I said I'd keep it.
But it feels bad in that, isn't it?
On the VXR?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not great. It's not good to go to work back in as well.
Fuel in this can be good and bad, depends on how you drive.
Yeah.
I mean, if you actually cruise it, just chill around, just drive
Like a
around.
normal Civic.
Yeah. Like a normal granddad. Your fuel is mad.
Yeah.
You'll get so many miles. As soon as you put your foot down and you hit your VTEC all the time,
Yeah.
it's real bad. But then again, it's probably better than most newer cars nowadays.
Yeah, definitely.
And still keeps up with them.
Yeah. I think, to be fair, that's pretty embarrassing for the other brands.
Oh yeah, I agree.
That Type R from, well, this one's 2006, but 2000 and even the 2002 do the same. Can keep up with a new Golf R. That's quite embarrassing, to be honest. I think that's drawing me to this car is I drive along in the VXR and I think this car's going to go anything is going to go wrong. And it let me down a few times, but it's just the uncertainty when it's going to go wrong. You drive something like this, you can give it absolute hell.
And you know it will start in the morning.
Yeah.
100%.
And it'll still take you to work the next day off.
Yeah.
Just give it a thrashing. It's not.
Abuse. I've been watching a few videos of people just slapping a turbo on it, not even opening the engine. Yeah. 400 brake, and it's a daily.
Mm.
So what the hell?
There was one on Living Life Fast. Shout out to Living Life Fast. It was a good video on the Civic on there. And I think the engine was stock, apart from turbo. A couple of other little bits. The thing I wish this did though was backfire. I'm sure you can make it do that, can't you?
Yeah, new
Pop
ECU
and
and
bang.
decat and all the rest of it, yeah.
Because that's what the VXR was like. That's what I enjoyed the most, I think. Pops. Every time you change gears, pop.
Yeah, that's what I loved about yours.
But I can live without that. I like this sound.
You know, it will start in the morning.
Yeah, that's it.
My pleasure.
Don't forget to add him on Instagram. I'll leave all his stuff down below. He's also got a channel, so make sure you subscribe to his channel. And what's the guy you do it with? Adam.
I'll do it with my mate Adam, yeah.
So he does that. He's going to do. What do you do? What are you going to do?
Well, we do reviews, we find abandoned places. We're going to be building something. We'll leave my channel URL in the description.
Yeah. Cool. And also, big thank you to Harry for lending me the cameras. I'll leave his stuff in the description below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And also, there's a giveaway at 1,000 subs, so make sure you get involved for that.